Yo, what's good, guys? So today is day 45 of 0 to 1 million in 365 days. And today, actually, yeah. So today is December 9. So almost, like I said, medyo bababa na nga yung sales natin since nasa peak na yun. And right now, we closed the day around, let me fucking, baka mag-click yung ano ko eh. So ito, let me show you guys. There you go. So this is for December. Let me fucking, so yeah, December 9. Apply. So boom. Refresh. We're gonna hit refresh. Boom. As you guys can see, legit. So we are almost under 1K, which is good. I'm not gonna complain. Kahit nga 500 lang eh. I'm fucking happy. At least we got something, But yeah, quick update lang. And sobrang busy ko ngayong araw since nire-bump ko yung website. And wait. Shit. I'm gonna leak my product, man. Fuck. Let me just fucking fuck. Wait, yo, I'm trying to leak my product, man. There you go. So yeah. Boom. I'm trying to leak my product. I'm gonna just blur it out. So So almost I am in under 1K in a day with 1.4 conversion. Like I said, I'm gonna complain. I'm still grateful. Kahit nga $200 at least. At least meron. Hindi tayo nagsisiro. So I feel like itong product na to, it can turn into a brand, sabi nung mentor ko. In a different way, Pero yeah. So yun ay December 9 kahapon. So ngayon is December, as you guys can see, 10. So 10, legit. And then today, as of 6 a.m. na. So ito na yung kinita natin for today. 5 hours pa lang. So hopefully kahit mga 500 plus or 700, that would be great. So there's gonna be, I don't know, fucking 75%, 60 to 70% margin. So if kumita ako ng $100, 60 yung sa akin doon. So so yun yung margin. So for example, ito 400, boom, yan. So 75% yung sa akin. Depende dun sa bundles. So yeah, tawag dito, yun lang naman, quick update lang. Hopefully tumaas pa to around I don't know, maybe fucking 700 for the day, which is good, or more. I'm gonna be happy if that happens, Oops, I'm not trying to. Okay, there you go. So yeah, ano ba? So yeah, so I feel like yung website ko is fucking I would say 90% optimized na. So ilagay na ako ng kung ano nung shit doon. So yeah, actually binili ko yung actually 2 key na yung binili ko. So expenses na yun. So bumili ako dito sa Shrine Pro nitong which is fucking crazy. Itong theme pages pa. I mean, theme pa lang sa Shopify. This shit costs fucking 21 pesos. You know? Fucking crazy. I bought the pro one. And then I bought the... Ooh, look! There's actually 25% off. Wait, what? That's crazy. But I don't give a shit. I already bought that, but let me just go to Shrine. My product. Boom. So, ito yung binili ko. So, yan. May promo na yan. So, binili ko yan last December 4th. Boom. Dalawa na binili ko. So, ito, naka-discount din ako para dyan ng 25%. So, 15 and then $1,100. So, it's gonna be around fucking same. So, dalawang keys yung nakuha ko, which is cool. I'm gonna use the other key for the other store that I'm gonna try to make. And, yeah. So, this is probably gonna be it. So, yeah. Ang ganda nitong, I would recommend this pagka nagkaka-sales na kayo and shit like that. Re-recommend ko na talaga tong fucking theme na to. It's crazy. Yung the amount of fucking features na meron dito sa theme na to, crazy. Like, so for example, yung website nila, binil nila sa theme nila. So look, this shit is high converting. See? This shit is high converting, bro. See? This shit looks fucking fantastic. Sheesh. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. For example, on my store right now, meron tayong 279 sessions and meron na tayong fucking $400 in sales ngayong araw, which is crazy, with fucking 2.5 conversion rate, which is crazy. Goods na yun eh. If isipin mo na 279 sessions, diba? May 400 orders ka na, $400 ka na, so grabe yun. Like, grabe yan. Grabe yung ano na yan. Yung ratio na yun, yung conversion rate. So, yeah. Yun lang muna guys. Edit ko na lang muna tong video na to. And wait, na-fulfill ko na to. Yeah, edit ko na lang tong video na to. And see you na lang guys at day 46. Yeah, peace.